Starts rubber and crew with severe thunderstorm warning. And it's Family Guy.
Oh, hey, there you are. Hey, listen, I got something really cool I want you to see. What is it? This. I found it in the yard.
A tennis ball. That's very impressive, Brian.
Yeah, but don't tell the other dogs in the neighborhood. They'll be jealous.
You son of a bitch.
And this is nothing. There's one tennis ball out there that's even cooler because I peed on it. Buried it years ago. I just can't remember where. I'd give anything to find it, though.
Well, if you could recall exactly when you buried it, I suppose I could help you out.
I remember the exact day. January 31st, 1999.
Very well, follow me, Brian. Watch out for Ernie. He's getting a CAT scan.
Here we go, Brian. The dog. Severe thunderstorm warning. Back in time machine back in 1999.
That goes until 10:45. Now
And it's Rusty Dawkins.
60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. It is moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. And that first one is for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail, and it's moving south at 40 miles per hour. Also, severe thunderstorm warnings mixed in here. Kind of hard to see, but I'm trying to highlight them there. Severe thunderstorm warning for Holt and Wheeler County until 10:15, and that's for quarter-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind as it's moving south at 30 miles per hour. Greeley, just a little slice there. Ping-pong ball-size hail until 10:15 for central Greeley County. It's moving east at 25 miles per hour, and then just added just to the continues to roll with a strong severe thunderstorm.
And that's where we came Shermick.
Again, not only one 60-mile-per-hour wind, but torrential rain.
Oh no, 3 tornadoes.
At least for periods of time as they roll through. And again, by 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, we're looking at some of that activity lingering in the southeastern quarter. By 7 a.m., most of it has come to an end. And tomorrow afternoon, we're looking at partly to mostly sunny skies and a much quieter day. Right now, 60s, 70s, and lower 80s on the board, including that 82 in Lincoln. Dew points indicating very heavy rain will be possible with some of these stronger thunderstorms. And by the time we get to tomorrow morning, we're looking at temperatures mainly in the 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, it looks like most of the coverage area should return to the mid and upper 80s. We'll have complete forecasts coming up in just a few.
All right, Ken, we'll see you in a bit. While Texans are reeling from the raging floodwaters that have claimed the lives of over 100 people.
Oh. What?
Task Force 1 to Texas members will be down there for nearly 2 weeks.
They're expected to.
Oh no, 3 tornadoes.
Tomorrow morning, and will be there for 2 weeks.
Real tornadoes.
Coming from Nebraska, but the honor
That's
is also
not a good sign.
From anyone else in any other profession. What you're doing is honorable. I'm in the presence of heroes right now.
As of this evening, Texas officials confirmed at least 104 people were killed in the floods. At least 27 of those were campers and counselors at the all-girls Camp Mystic, as 10 campers and 1 counselor are still unaccounted for.
We do have to worry about taking care of each other, but we are first responders. This is devastating, and our hearts do go out to Texas, but at the same time, this is what we came here to do, and I think knowing the fact that we can at least go down and help make a difference at least does help us mentally and physically to know that that's what we're doing for making a difference.
Hundreds of high water rescues have happened since the flooding began. White House officials reemphasized today that National Weather Service offices were adequately staffed at the time of the floods. President Trump is expected to visit Texas on Friday.
And in the wake of disaster near or far, when you think of helping, donating money may come to mind. With that, the Better Business Bureau wants everyone to do a bit of research beforehand so that you don't get scammed.
they want you just to donate right away. If someone reaches out and says donate right now, like, we'll send even more money or we'll match your offer if you donate in the next 2 minutes. It's usually a scam to get you to just think urgently and think you're doing a good thing.
Yeah, one sign to look out for, we're told, is when a donation page says 100% of the funds go toward relief efforts. Now, while that sounds great, the truth is there's always some costs associated with this. We're told you can check out charityongive.org. That's a partner with the BBB, and they will let you know if the charity is legitimate or not.
Excuse me, sorry for that.
All right, switching
Just
gears now
burp.
tonight, in our
Burp.
crime tracker, a Lincoln man is in hot water after police say he was threatening his neighbor, ultimately pulling out an airsoft rifle. This argument all stemming from fireworks. Officers were called to the area of 32nd and R just before 11 o'clock last Thursday night. Police say a 60-year-old woman got into an argument with her neighbor over those fireworks that were near her parked car. They exchanged some words and the neighbor left. When she came back to her backyard, we're told the neighbor came back, threatening her with what she thought was a rifle. 34-year-old Matthew Johnson was arrested about 3 hours later. He's been charged with terroristic threats.
Quite frankly, still don't even have the closure that they're looking for.
Uzi, Nespresso, and Salmon Origins.
AEW Wednesday Night Dynamite, live at 8 on TBS, now streaming on Max.
TV's not even plugged in.
What is this? Where the hell are we? The air is electric.
I guess it didn't the EAS won't pop up in Mom and Dad's bedroom TV yet. It won't be here. They skipped the EAS on Mom and Dad's TV.
Okay, go in there and see if it's on.
It doesn't on.
Okay, that's it. Okay, wait for the next one.
Southeastern
Oh, here we go.
in southwestern Iowa.
So we're done to warning on
Shelby
American
County
Dad.
in southwestern Iowa. Sarpy County, southeastern Washington County, northeastern Lancaster County, and southeastern Nebraska. Douglas County, southeastern Saunders County, central Cass County, and southeastern Nebraska until 10:45 p.m. At 9:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles south of Persia to Omaha to near Wahoo, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Omaha, Council Bluffs, Belleville, Ralston, Gretna, Boys Town, Elkhorn, Millard, La Vista, and Carter Lake around 10 p.m. Papillion, Walnut Creek Recreation Area, and Council Bluffs Airport around 10:05 p.m. Off at Air Force Base, Ashland, Springfield, Trainer, and Hancock around 10:10 p.m. Oakland, Louisville, and Cedar Creek around 10:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Plattsmouth, Glenwood, Carson, Pacific Junction, Macedonia, Silver City, Murdoch, Henderson, Malvern, Murray, and Beaver Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 29 to 77. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 46.
Oh no, not again. Three tornadoes again. That's not a good sign. And that's it. That was we got the EAS on Mom and Dad's bedroom TV. And that's it.
That this whole meeting was with a mysterious group of individuals to you.
Oh, I guess.
That's it.
That's it. Another severe thunderstorm warning. Alma, severe thunderstorm warning. Cancel flood advisory. So issue flood advisory. Until 11:15 p.m. Until 11:15 p.m.
2 miles southwest of Henderson to 5 miles south of Glenwood to Murdoch. Moving southeast at 45 miles per hour.
And now, roving crew.
With real commute, it's easy to
Just standing there, and she's looking what they're doing, and that's it, just standing there. She got life
Start your free trial today. I don't know about you, but when it comes to living family in the road, I have every part of my house clean.
Thunderstorms include Essex. Interstate 29 between mile markers.
Save 35%. And should you buy your favorite
mile markers 30 and 1043.
or anytime.
Mile markers 430.
Life for pets.
Protection and move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Oh no! 3 tornadoes again, all the times. That's not a good sign.